What's up, guys? It's D Kufel again, and this is actually not going to be a technology video. I just did a video on this website builder, Hack CMS, but I kind of want to talk about COVID-19 and how it's really affecting our world. I'm a senior right now, and I'm not going to be able to graduate, I think, because of this virus, and it's devastating. But I just want to educate you guys on what it is and how it started. Pretty much just started from China. They ate a bat and it had the disease and it just spread like wildfire. It took 3 months to get to America, and just some of the symptoms we could talk about is like fever, cough, shortness of breath. And the scariest symptom I've ever seen was if you're under 25, you could have it and not even know. It spread pretty much by coughing, fever, just literally in contact with the germs, and then you could spread it to people that are older than you, which could be very scary because they could be in a lot of trouble when you're just kind of young, like me on the younger side, and you might not even feel the effects. The way you get tested is they stick this like huge stick up your nose, and it takes like 5 days, but they're coming out with this new test, which will only take an hour, thank God. And of course, just some vaccine updates. You should social distance. You should make sure that no one's in your area. The global response is tons of articles every hour. They updating it, and some things to do at home is I just posted a YouTube video of things I like to do at home. And I know this stinks, but it's very important to understand and to know. And I just want to say thank you guys for listening to me for the past 2 minutes, and be safe out there. Have a good one.